Steve, the Warriors put the Cavaliers away in overtime, but there were two things in regulation that really cost Cleveland. I want to get your thoughts on both of them. Let's start with the offensive foul changed to a block.
You don't make a call like that. You don't reverse a call like that against LeBron James. It was such a close call that you certainly don't go to the table, review it on video, and then come back and change the call. The referees definitely did the wrong thing as far as I'm concerned. That is not a call that should have been reversed. The NBA needs to change that rule now. Not next season, now. That should not happen again while these NBA finals are going on. It was inexcusable, and LeBron James deserves, obviously, a lot better than that.
All right, so George Hill, really good free throw shooter, makes one, misses the second one. J.R. Smith gets the rebound. Ty Lue says he thought that they were up one. It appears to be what he said on the court to LeBron James. What do you make of that?
I haven't gotten over it, and I'm not going to get over it for a long time. You can bring up Chris Webber calling a timeout for the national championship against North Carolina. You can bring up Isaiah Thomas trying to throw a quick inbounds pass and it getting intercepted by Larry Bird. This situation with J.R. Smith is inexcusable. I know my man Mike Wilbon said earlier that Magic Johnson once made this mistake. Derek Harper once made this mistake, etc. It wasn't in the NBA Finals when you're in the heat of competition and you're running up and down and you're in the midst of a play and something like that happens. No, you have an opportunity to collect your thoughts, take a deep breath, and to still get that, not get boxed out, grab an offensive rebound, and believe that you have the lead when all you got to do is peek up even before the foul shot is taken. You don't do any of those things, and instead you grab the rebound, run outside to the three-point line thinking that you've won the game, and the game is over. LeBron looked at him like he was an absolute idiot. It's one of the most inexcusable mistakes that I have ever witnessed in all of my years of covering the NBA. I sit here tonight sad and humbled by the greatness I saw him put on display in game one of these NBA Finals. And to have the game blown because of a boneheaded play like this, I just don't know what to say other than I can't see Cleveland recovering from this. As far as I'm concerned, this was their shot stand, and it got blown by somebody that's got an awful lot of explaining to do, and I don't even know if he's capable of providing that explanation.
Yeah, only one working harder than LeBron James during the finals is you. Thanks for staying up with us. We appreciate it.
All right.